Hello, this is Judge Batty Walsh. Who do I have the pleasure of speaking with today? Yes, you're the attorney for Miss Pinky. Give me the case number, darling. 6789-236969. How appropriate. No bond. I'm not setting no bond for her. That's the reason why I sent her to Twitch Bitch Correction Facility. She just stayed there for 3 months. Don't make the mistake of writing me or calling me or emailing me for a bond or a court date. She just stayed there for 3 months because she cut off her husband's body. Season it with Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper. With onion, scallion, and tomato. I ram it down the girl's throat. The girl almost choke. And then when them carry her husband at hospital, she have a hook up there, and then they saw about the man body upon him. And the man now has to live a life being a unicorn, immutable. I don't want to hear anything. Come off my phone, Big Fanny, please.